Hi guys! Here are 3 different ways to mount and dismount your bike. The first one is the most usual conventional way, which we all learned at our basic riding course. We approach the bike from the left-hand side, turn the handlebars, swing our leg, fold the kickstand, and boom! We are done! Dismount is the same, but in reverse. Awesome! But what if my bike was taller, or I was shorter, or I had some kind of cargo box mounted on the rear? I could do something like this, of course, but where is the beauty and grace in that? What I'm going to do instead is show you the second way of mounting the bike, mounting from the footpeg. Usually it's done from the right-hand side of the bike, because since the right side footpeg is tilted upwards, we have less chance to slip from it. In case our foot slips, it will slip towards the bike. As you can see, when I'm mounting from the footpeg, I have plenty of space between my leg and the saddle, regardless of how high the bike itself is. And if I had any top box, my leg would easily clear it. Very good. Now, how should I do this, without dropping the bike on myself? Here's how it goes. I am turning the handlebars left and putting my right foot on the footpeg. And here comes the important part. As I am stepping up on the footpeg and swinging my leg over the saddle, I am keeping my upper body on top of the bike. If I move it too far from the motorcycle, it will tip over. But as long as I am keeping my weight above the bike, everything is fine. And the same goes for the dismount. I keep my weight above the bike, swinging my leg and simply step down back on the ground. 3 frequent questions about this technique. Is it okay to put your whole body weight on the footpeg? Won't it break? No, it's perfectly okay. When we jump over the speed bumps and potholes, we are standing on our footpegs, right? They are perfectly adequate for the job. And those are impacts, which put more stress on the footpegs when we simply stand on them. Besides, if we look at those gentlemen, I think it becomes quite obvious that our footpegs will be probably fine. The second question is about the side stand. Wouldn't it fold under the weight? If we mount from the right side, it most definitely will not, because since we are putting our weight on the right side, we are actually unloading the side stand. If we mount from the left side from the footpeg, however, yes, we are putting more stress on the side stand. I personally never had an issue with that, but it is something to consider. One more reason to mount from the right side. And the third question, which is more of a criticism which I get about mounting from the right side, is that there is an exhaust here, and you can burn your leg because of this. I guess it is possible, but there are bikes with exhausts on the left side, or even at both sides. So I guess it's true regardless of which side you mount from. And besides, if you ride your bike with no pants, you probably deserve to burn your legs anyway. And third way to mount and dismount today will be a cowboy mount. It is a great balance exercise for a little bit more advanced riders. Though you probably won't find it challenging if you mastered all the stuff from my advanced video course. In this case, you are going to find this dismount super easy. Before we sit down, the side stand already should be folded and the engine should be running and in first gear. Now we put the left foot on the footpeg, and at the same time, as we start putting the weight on it, we simultaneously give the bike a little throttle and put the clutch into the friction zone. As soon as the bike starts going forward, it becomes balanced and we can swing the leg anytime we want. We can ride standing on the footpeg as long as we want, there is no need to hurry. And just like in the previous case, we should keep our body above the bike to help it remain balanced. Dismount is the same in reverse. As we are slowing down with the front brake, we stand on the left footpeg and just step down when the bike stops. And you can add a little flavor to it. When the bike stops, you simultaneously unfold the side stand. Since you are standing on the left footpeg, the bike will lean more to the right, so the side stand will not touch the ground until you fully stop. This Cowboy mount-dismount is pretty cool and useful as the additional balance training. And this is it for today. I hope you will find these small exercises quite useful. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of my channel. And if you find my explanations useful, get my video courses, which are available in 2 versions, for complete beginners and for more advanced riders as well. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!